everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today we're talking about the category of graphs and data, okay? Specifically bar graphs and pictographs. How do we read bar graphs? What are they? How do we read picture graphs, etc.? So a bar graph, a graphic display of data using bars of different heights to visualize the information. So with graphs and data, the whole purpose is to be able to visualize and see whatever kind of data set you're looking at, okay? So the bar graphs help to represent the set of data visually. These can run vertically, right? Or they can run horizontally. So what you're doing with these graphs is you're comparing the x-axis and the y-axis. So in this bar graph, look, we have the month, okay, January, February, March, April, got it. And then number of students, okay, whose birthday is in that month. So this is cool. You can look at the total number of students, however many that is, and June, there are 10 students with a birthday in June. Okay, that's awesome. In August, there's 1 student, right? Because this is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So halfway to 2 is 1. 2 students in March, right? So June and May, the most popular time to be born, or the most common, right? So this is cool. Favorite snacks, group of students voted. Number of votes, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Notice that our integers are the same. Our intervals are equal. So whose favorite snack is fruit? That's a lot of people, 9 people, 9 students. Vegetables, 5 students. Cheese, trail mix, crackers, popcorn. Crackers is the least common. That's a crazy vote. I'm all about them Ritz crackers. Love them Ritz crackers. So, a double bar graph is a bar graph that compares 2 different variables. So let's say, you want to take a poll of favorite ice cream. Here, the orange, you have second graders. And the blue, you have first graders. So here you can take the same vote, so favorite ice cream, and you can compare 2 different groups. So, the chocolate, the second graders love chocolate, but they don't like peach. And there's somebody in the first grade that likes peach. Strawberry is more popular second grade, but vanilla is more popular first grade. That's really cool. Okay, participants in camp activities. All right, so you go to a camp and you have blue for boys and then red for girls. Their favorite activities, tennis, swimming, canoeing, crafts. That's awesome, right? You can compare 2 different groups who are voting on the same questions, the same polls. So bar graphs, again, all of these graphs help you visualize. Okay, a bar graph scale. The scale of a bar graph must be created by using equal intervals that begin, and you got to begin with 0. So here, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Doesn't matter, all those are equal. 5, right, you count by 5. Here, you count by 10. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. Doesn't matter if you count it by 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. But what matters is that the scale has to be consistent, has to be equal intervals between each line, each hash. Okay, picture graph. Another way to call a picture graph is a pictograph. Picture graph or pictograph, either way. A way to show data using images. Each image stands for a certain amount. Okay, so here, our favorite pets, if we were to vote and take a poll in our class, who has what pets? In this, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's equal integers by 1. Each picture is 1 vote. So there are 5 students who have dogs, 3 students who have cats, 3 students who have pet fish, 2 students have birds, 1 student has a turtle. But check this out. Here with this example, each image is 2. So, right, if you get 1 mango, that is 2 votes, or 1 apple, that's 2 votes. So that's cool. You can, right, and I'll show you right here on the next example. Okay, each image stands for a certain amount. If an image stands for more than 1, it's going to tell you, it's going to illustrate that. 1 full apple is 10 votes. 10, or one full apple is 10 apples. A half apple is 5. So if we're looking at this chart, here's a pictograph of how many apples were sold at a local shop over 4 months. In January, 10 apples were sold. In February, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times 10 is 40, 40 apples. March, 10, 20, and then 1025, right? 25 apples were sold in March, and in April, only 20 apples were sold. So, this is a brief introduction over bar graphs and pictographs. I hope you guys learned from this. Let me know if you have any questions, and see you next time.